Hi, we're here at 10 Sundance Lane in Bluffton, South Carolina for a quick look around. This is a Jamestown Savannah model. It's about 1,300 square feet. Asking price is $325. We're in the main living area now with tile entry and engineered wood floors in the main living area. You can see some conceptual pictures of what these rooms would look like, furnished. Kitchen has granite countertops, natural wood grain cabinets, white appliances, undermounted double sink. Nice little breakfast area here. This is the pantry. Tile floors in the kitchen. This door takes us out to the garage, the epoxy floor, some built-in shelves there, water heater, washer dryer, gas furnace, and HVAC. We also have a little bit extra light here in the laundry area. Attic access. And stepping back into the kitchen, we'll take a look at the primary bedroom. Transitioning here to back to engineered floors. You can see the picture giving an indication of what this room would look like furnished. Smooth ceilings throughout, lighted ceiling fan in here. This bay window looks out onto the back patio and yard. Primary bath has that same tile as in the kitchen. Cultured marble vanity, walk-in shower, and wood floors here in the walk-in closet. Jamestown Savannah's have a really large closet in the primary bedroom. This sunroom was added at the build. Tile floor, bumped up tray ceiling there, or yeah, we'll step up with the ceiling here in the sunroom. This door takes you out to the patio. Nice and quiet. Back inside, living area here. Again, conceptual image of what that area would look like with furnishing. The hall linen closet or coat closet. Wood floors, tile in the hall bath. That same cultured marble vanity. Shower tub and coat closet here as well. And the second bedroom here in the front gets lots of natural light through these two windows. Lots of really nice established landscaping and bushes in front. And a good sized closet here. And that's our tour. I hope this has been helpful for you. Let me know what you think. You can call or text anytime or get in touch with your realtor. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.